Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns for Chivon. I'm joined by Umabuda.
Sharp, sharp. Aye, forever yellow. Forever yellow. Forever yellow. Forever yellow. Forever yellow. Sundowns the most successful team in PSL era.
Yeah, bad man.
How many fans is the game?
Yeah.
Since the game, since it was an Easter holiday.
Yes.
I'm just happy for Matthews, man.
Yeah.
Since September last year,
Yeah.
but now because it's the Easter weekend.
Yeah.
Who is our core? And nice happy.
Yeah.
I'm happy for Matthews.
Yeah.
I'm the lady. I'm telling you, because Serasi and he came with the leg of Nand.
Yeah.
Number two. Yabona uJayden Adams ne?
Yes.
Ala uthi ayinzima kakhulu. Since agunde inwele ne?
Yeah.
Unamehlo ayi8. Amehlo coaches number 8.
Yeah.
Amehlo ayi8.
Yeah.
Una 2 phambili.
Yeah.
2 on side.
Yeah.
2 at the back.
Yeah.
To scan the pass anywhere. In the field of play. Awunzima kakhulu uJayden Adams. Unzima kakhulu. Ubuya ku Prince. Ku Leon.
Yeah.
Uyibonile lapho wona ndoda alishayela lapho Leon. Lapho ulithola eSouth Africa.
Yes.
The whole Africa.
Yeah.
Lapho ulithola kuphi? eEurope.
Yeah.
eEurope baba.
Yeah.
That the speed leyakhela le. Awushayini into lemuntu le. Even noma bakalishayela lapho le. Eshaya uLeon namhlanje.
Leyakhela yike natural.
Ay man. Ay. Yekela natural natani. Donald, as from today, we want to win all the games until the end. This is Mamelodi Sundowns. Our man of the match, uJayden Adams. Number 14, ufuna ukukhuluma wokuqina. Yabona uko Bruce. Overlook Reynolds. Reynolds is the best striker in this country. Reynolds deserves to be in the Bafana Bafana. Ikram Reynolds.
Umahupa
yini umahupa. Ushama chapini wa muntu. Reynolds umuntu osicreatela isipenda shaya. Webona, even out of 18 uyashaya webona. So Reynolds uya World Cup uthi. Bana.